And Jean, how much is this mat?
$155.
That's crazy, crazy.
Hi guys! Welcome to Miss A Made That with Jean and Krissi. And today we have the AOA Studio Paw Paw Brush Cleaning Mat.
And Jean, how much is this mat?
$155.
That's crazy, crazy. Especially for the size of that, like that's a good size.
Yes, it is in a cute heart shape. Like look how big it is. It has 5 silicone little suctions in the back, so you're gonna put this onto your sink, and then on the front it has different types of grooves to clean your brushes. So what you do is wet a dirty makeup brush and then swirl it in our AOA brush cleaning bar, lather it up, and then you're gonna start just swishing it around the mat, and the grooves help get all the grime and the makeup and everything just out of the brush really clean. And then you're just gonna rinse with water and you're done. Just clean this off with soap and water too, and then just let it dry and it's ready for the next use.
And the grooves do different things, right?
So there's different, so if you look, there's different patterns. So if it's a bigger groove, it's good for your bigger brushes, and if it's a smaller groove, it's good for your smaller brushes. So just the different type of brushes, you can just try them on the different grooves to see which cleans them the best.
Awesome. Cool. Well, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next episode.
Bye!